Hello everyone, welcome back to the weekly market updates. I'm Khadgawat. So this week brought a sigh of relief for all the investors. After the bloodbath and the severe pain in the previous week, this week almost all the indices have closed in a soothing green color. Now the real question comes whether this relief rally is a dead cat bounce or the bottom has been made. This we will know in coming time. But one thing is for sure that after this correction, several foreign brokerages have turned positive of Indian equities. In a recent report by BofA, the Bank of America has given the targets of 25,000 on Nifty for December 2025. That means clearly from here also, we still have 11% of upside from these levels. However, they are still very much cautious on the small cap and mid cap stocks, and their preferred picks are from large caps, which are the constituents of Nifty 50 index. साथ ही जेफरीज भी इस करेक्शन के बाद सेवरल स्टॉक्स पे काफी बुलिश हैं और मॉर्गन स्टैनली ने तो इंडिया को इमर्जिंग मार्केट्स में टॉप प्रेफर्ड पिक बताया है. Considering all the recommendations from the foreign brokerages, one thing is very clear that after this correction, the valuation concerns of Indian market has been addressed to a greater extent. In the starting of this week, Nifty has breached the important level of 22,000 but bounced back, and from there we have seen a positive rally towards 22,500 levels on the closing. वहीं बैंक निफ्टी 49,000 के लेवल्स को रीगेन करने में स्ट्रगल करता हुआ नजर आया, बट वीक ऑन वीक बेसिस पे दोनों ही इंडाइसेस निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी ने अपने प्रीवियस वीक के सभी लॉसेस को रिकवर कर flat closing दी. Talking about broader indices, the advance decline ratio have remained in the favor of advances throughout the week, and both the indices small cap and mid cap have covered all the losses for the previous week and closed flat for this week. Metals shine among all the sectors and outperformed with more than 7.45% of gains on week-on-week basis. साथ ही नंबर 2 पे निफ्टी, ऑयल एंड गैस एंड एनर्जी सेक्टर, जिसने वीक-ऑन-वीक बेसिस पर 2.49% के गेंस क्लॉक किए. ऑन द नेगेटिव साइड, आईटी ने वीक-ऑन-वीक बेसिस पे 3.5% के नेगेटिव रिटर्न्स पोस्ट किए. वहीं ऑटोमोबाइल एंड कंजम्पशन भी 1.5 से 2% के नेगेटिव रिटर्न के साथ बंद हुए. This week, what we have witnessed is the cooling off in the selling pressure from the FIIs. For this week, they have only sold of 13,466 crore rupees of stocks in the cash market, which is almost half of what they have sold in the previous week. पिछले हफ्ते केवल फ्राइडे के दिन में ही वो 11,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा का सामान बेच चुके थे. साथ ही डेरिवेटिव्स में भी उनकी शॉर्ट पोजीशंस काफी कूल ऑफ हुई हैं और अब 80% शॉर्ट और 20% लॉन्ग के साथ FIIs इंडियन मार्केट्स में बने हुए हैं. After a long time, US markets have underperformed all the emerging markets, and on the week-on-week basis, Nasdaq has posted more than 4.5% of negative returns. साथ ही Dow Jones भी 3% के negative returns के साथ बंद हुआ. On the other side, DAX Germany, China, India, all the emerging markets and the European Union have closed with a positive gains on week-on-week basis. At the same time, Trump tariff tantrums has gone to a different level, as his back and forth on tariffs has kept the related countries and the globe on its toes. Canada and Mexico पर टैरिफ लगाने को लगातार बोलने के बाद, in a recent announcement, he has once again postponed the tariffs for one more month. Now the new date for the tariff imposition has been set for 2nd of April, when the reciprocal tariff on all the trading partners will also come in effect. It seems that Trump tariff strategy is backfiring at this moment, as all the affected countries are getting up for the trade war with retaliatory tariff measures. China ने तो अपने recent announcement में यहाँ तक कह दिया that they are ready for every war, be it trade, tariff or otherwise, and they will fight till the finish. However, India has been proactive in dealing with these potential tariffs, as they have already cut down import duties on several items, and our Trade and Commerce Minister Mr. Piyush Goyal is already in US for crucial discussion to mitigate this tariff impact on the Indian industries and get the best deal out of it. Once again for this week, gold has continued its dream rally and clocked 2.35% of gains on week-on-week basis. And if the views of the CEO of World Gold Council to be considered, then there is lot of steam is still left in the gold. Also, the silver is catching up with the gold by clocking more than 4% of gains for this week. On the other hand, Brent crude oil prices continue to go down and hit 6 months low amid OPEC decision to ramp up the output, tariff threat, and the Ukraine news. In a recent development, NSE has changed the expiry day for all its F&O contract from Thursday to Monday, and also the monthly expiry would be on the last Monday of the month. In a recent update, India's GST collection has rose to 9.1% on year-on-year basis, and for the month of February, it has come to 1.84 lakh crore. In the week that ended on 21st of February, the Indian Forex Reserve have rose by 4.76 billion and reached to 640 billions. The RBI has continued to show its commitment to provide liquidity in the Indian markets, and this time they have come up with third swap of $10 billion buy-sell swap and 1 lakh crore bond purchase to manage the liquidity. Indigo Airlines has started their non-stop flights to Manchester and Amsterdam, and also they have emerged as the second fastest growing airlines in the world in terms of seat capacity. After disrupting Indian paint market, now Ultratech Cement has decided to enter into wires and cable markets and announced a $200 million investment. The plant will manufacture a diverse range of wires and cables, including low tension cables. This is it for this week. We'll come up with more important information next week. Till that time, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.